Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond, the channel where real English sounds like real life. Today, we are following Anna through one very full day. She overslept, she has a dentist appointment, she is trying a brand new hobby, and her husband Joe is doing his very best to be supportive. Your job is simple. Listen carefully. Every time you see the dotted line, say the sentence above it out loud. That technique is called shadowing, and it is one of the most powerful ways to improve your spoken English. Ready? Let's begin.
Anna, wake up. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Just 10 more minutes.
You said 10 more minutes 20 minutes ago.
I set 3 alarms. Why didn't any of them wake me up?
They all went off. You turned every single one off in your sleep.
That is not possible.
You are very talented when you are half asleep.
Okay. I am getting up. Where is my jacket?
On the hook by the front door. Your bag is on the kitchen chair.
What would I do without you?
Sleep until lunchtime, probably?
No time for a proper breakfast. I will eat on the way.
Take a banana, at least. And your umbrella. It is going to rain.
Good thinking. Keys. Joe, have you seen my keys?
On the kitchen counter. Same place as always.
Right. Sorry. Okay. Dentist at 9. Art class at 2. I can do this.
You can absolutely do this. Have a great day.
You too. Love you. Bye.
Hey, the usual?
Yes, please. Large, flat white, extra shot. I am running very late.
Rough morning?
I overslept. 3 alarms and I still overslept.
You told me the exact same thing last Tuesday.
Do not remind me. Can I also get a croissant?
Almond or plain?
Almond. It is my favorite.
Good choice. $6.50 altogether.
Can I pay by card? I think I am out of cash.
Of course. Tap here. Done. You're all set.
Thank you, Carlos. You always save my mornings.
That is what I'm here for. Don't miss your train.
Running now. Literally running. Bye.
Good morning. Name, please? Anna Rivera. I have a 9 a.m. appointment with Dr. Kim. Let me check. Yes, here you are. Please take a seat. Dr. Kim is running about 5 minutes behind. No problem. Thank you.
Hi, Anna. So, what brings you in today?
I have a dull ache on my lower left side. It started about a week ago.
Does it hurt when you drink something cold?
Yes, especially cold water. Ice cream is completely off the table right now.
I see. Open wide for me, and I will take a look.
Okay.
Yes, there is a small cavity on that molar. Nothing to worry about.
A cavity? Is it serious?
Not at all. It is very minor. We can fill it today. About 20 minutes.
Will it hurt?
I will numb the area first. You will feel a small pinch, and then nothing at all.
Okay, I trust you. Let us do it.
All done. How does that feel?
Strange. My whole cheek is numb.
Completely normal. It will wear off in about an hour. Avoid very hot or cold food until then.
Will I be able to eat ice cream by this evening?
By this evening? Yes. You are good to go.
That is the best news I have had all week.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, my debit card stopped working. The machine at the supermarket kept rejecting it.
I am sorry to hear that. Could I see some ID, please?
Of course.
Here is my driving license.
Thank you. Let me pull up your account. Right. Your card was flagged for unusual activity and blocked automatically as a security measure.
Oh, that explains it. Can you unblock it?
I can, yes, but I would recommend ordering a new card. This one is nearly 4 years old and the chip is quite worn.
How long does a new card take?
3 to 5 business days.
3 to 5 days? How do I pay for things until it arrives?
You can use our banking app to pay with your phone. I can help you set it up right now if you would like.
That would be brilliant. Yes, please.
Great. Download the app, sign in with your online banking details, then tap Add Card. And that is it.
That was much easier than I expected. So I just hold my phone near the card reader?
Exactly. Same as tapping a card.
Amazing. Technology never stops surprising me.
Your new card will arrive by Friday. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, that is everything. Thank you so much, Sophie.
Welcome, everyone. For those who are new, I am Rosa. This is Watercolor for Beginners. Please do not be nervous. Nobody is perfect on day 1. That is very reassuring. I have never painted before in my life. Perfect. A blank canvas and an open mind. That is all you need. Today, we are going to paint a simple landscape. Sky, hills, one tree. A landscape? That sounds quite difficult. It sounds difficult, but watercolor is very forgiving. If you make a mistake, water can fix almost everything. I like that idea. Water fixes everything. Wet your brush first. Choose a blue for the sky. Do not overthink it. Just start. Rosa, my sky looks a little green. I think I mixed the colors wrong. Let me look. Actually, that looks like an evening sky. It is beautiful. Really? I thought I had ruined it completely. In watercolor, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Someone once said the same thing about a lopsided bowl I made in pottery class. Then you already think like an artist. I actually love it. I cannot believe I painted that. You did. Same time next week? Absolutely. I will be here. Excuse me, are you looking for something specific? Yes, actually. Where would I find the pasta sauce? Aisle 4, on the left-hand side, roughly halfway down. Thank you. And do you have fresh herbs? We have fresh basil that just came in this afternoon. It is near the salad section. Perfect. I am making pasta tonight, my husband's favorite. Lovely. Anything else I can help with? Chicken, boneless and skinless, and some vegetables for a side salad. Chicken is in the chilled section at the back. Vegetables are just past the fruit. And one last thing, chocolate ice cream. Do you have a good one? We have 3 brands. The Belgian chocolate one is very popular. That sounds incredible. I have been waiting all day to eat ice cream again. Oh, really? Special occasion? I had a filling at the dentist this morning. I am now officially cleared for cold food. Huh. Well, enjoy. You have certainly earned it. Good evening. What can I get for you?
I would like some flowers for my wife. She had a really tough day.
Oh, what kind of tough day?
Dentist, bank problems, and she started a brand new art class, all in one day.
She sounds like a superwoman. She deserves something lovely.
What would you recommend?
Sunflowers. Bright and cheerful. They say, I am proud of you, without you needing to say a word.
She loves sunflowers. That is perfect.
I will wrap 8 with some white gypsophila.
It softens the whole arrangement beautifully.
That sounds lovely. How much?
18 pounds.
Can I pay with my phone? My card is currently blocked.
Of course. Tap here. Done. She is going to love these.
I really hope so.
Thank you. Sunflowers always make people smile. I have never seen it fail.
Finally. What a day.
Hey, how are you? Good day?
Exhausting, but good. Why are your hands behind your back?
What? No reason. Close your eyes for a second.
Joe.
Just close them. Trust me.
Fine. They are closed.
Okay. Open.
Sunflowers. Joe, they are absolutely gorgeous.
8 sunflowers. 1 for every hour of your crazy day.
That is the sweetest thing. Why did you get me flowers?
Because today, you went to the dentist, sorted out your bank card, and tried a brand new hobby. And I am very proud of you.
I have not even cooked dinner yet. The pasta is still in the bag.
I will cook tonight. You sit down.
Deal. And there is chocolate ice cream in that bag for dessert.
Tonight just keeps getting better and better.
Okay, tell me everything. Start from the beginning.
Right. So, I overslept. 3 alarms, none of them worked.
Classic Anna.
I got coffee from Carlos on the way. He remembered my order, of course. Then the dentist.
How bad was it?
A small cavity. Dr. Kim filled it in 20 minutes. My cheek was numb for an hour, but I was completely fine after that.
Good. Then the bank?
My card was blocked for suspicious activity. There's a new one coming on Friday, but now I can pay with my phone, which honestly feels very futuristic.
You are very futuristic.
And then the art class. Joe, I painted a landscape with watercolors on my very first try.
No way!
I will show you after dinner. The sky is a little green, but Rosa said it looks like an evening sky.
I cannot wait to see it.
And this pasta is incredible, by the way.
You cooked it.
I know. I am quite good.
You really are. Now, shall we have ice cream?
Always.
And that is a wrap on Anna's big day. From a rushed morning to sunflowers at the door. Not a bad day at all. Let us look at what you practiced in today's episode. You heard natural English at the dentist, describing pain, asking questions, understanding instructions. At the bank, explaining a problem and learning something new. At the art class, being a complete beginner and staying positive. And at home, the kind of real, warm conversation that happens between people who care about each other. Here is your challenge for this week. Describe your own day in English. Say it out loud. Use phrases from today. Rough morning, I overslept, it will wear off. Good thinking. I am proud of you. Say them. Say them again. Repeat them until they feel natural. That is how real English sticks. If this episode helped you, please give it a like. It truly helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss a new episode. And leave a comment below. What was your favorite phrase from today? I will see you in the next one. Keep going. You are doing brilliantly. This is Mr. Bond, English with Mr. Bond. Goodbye for now.